Hey, hey guys, again this is Satish here, Satish Amarnath Tandapani, 20 years of IT industry experience, 15 years into cybersecurity and GRC. Now that I'm going to teach you a very important topic, not a topic, it is just an interview question. What is CIA triad? C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity, and A stands for availability. Now, having said that, if anybody who asks you what is CIA triad, now what is CIA triad, you just need to answer them very simple terms. It's very simple. C means confidentiality. It means all IT infrastructure, environment, data center, database, files, shared files, whatever it may be, it should be confidential. And that is confidentiality. Integrity. What is integrity? Any database, any files for that matter, it have to be maintaining the integrity. Integrity means there should be no tampering, there should be no changes, there should be no any sort of unknown changes from the hackers. It's called integrity. And then availability. What it means, availability, the IT infrastructure, the IT environment should always be available to all the IT administrators and all the users of the application. For example, Amazon is an application, Swiggy, Zomato is an application. If that application goes down for 1 hour, what will happen? What are the financial loss to that company? So you just got to make sure that all application, user application, marketing application, whatever the application it may be, whatever the business context it may be, that should be available for the users of the company, and it should be available to all the IT administrators. That's it. Thank you guys. This is how you will have to answer in the interview. Bye.